Colliers is pleased to present the opportunity to purchase a 70-acre, fully gated Class A office and industrial campus containing over 571,000 square feet. Located in the growing northwest quadrant of Greater Houston, this former world headquarters for an oil field services company is close to major conveniences such as Bush Intercontinental Airport, interstate highways, tollways, downtown Houston, the Galleria, and the Energy Corridor. Within 5 miles of the campus are over 6 million square feet of office, medical office, and industrial product, and over 2 million square feet of retail. Reflecting its growing population, Tomball is home to the HCA Regional Hospital and Healthcare Center and one of the largest campuses within the Lone Star College system. The campus is easily accessible from Highway 249, the Grand Parkway, and nearby retail, restaurants, and residential communities. This 500,000 square foot campus includes 272,000 square feet of Class A office and nearly 300,000 square feet of industrial space. The office area is spread across 3 2- and 3-story buildings, inclusive of 33,000 square feet of state-of-the-art lab areas. Campus access is controlled by the main guard gate as well as a west entry guarded gate. The 123,000 square foot Building 1 includes 89,000 square feet of office plus 24 separate labs, 41 vent hoods, a deionized water system, compressed air vacuum systems, and a 300 kilowatt backup generator. Buildings 2 and 3 include 149,000 square feet of office layout, dining areas, a workout area, men's and ladies' locker rooms, and a central data center for the campus. The central data center is supported by 2 10-ton Liebert cooling units and a Sapphire fire suppression system. The industrial portion of the campus encompasses just under 300,000 square feet of warehouse, manufacturing space, maintenance, and support facilities. Clear heights range from 16 to 36 feet. The manufacturing and shop areas boast 7 overhead cranes with 3 to 10-ton lifting capacities and 35 2-ton jib cranes. Additional support facilities include a covered frac test stand, truck maintenance building, wash bay, and a 10,000 square foot paint booth. The campus also includes 20 acres of undeveloped land available for future expansion. To learn more about this opportunity, please contact our team of experts at Colliers.